Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fire. Start by gathering your essential materials. You'll need 3 types of wood: tinder, kindling, and fuel. Tinder is your smallest, most flammable material, crucial for catching the initial spark. Next, collect kindling, small sticks roughly the size of a pencil. Finally, gather your fuel wood, larger branches and logs, to sustain your fire. Ensure all materials are completely dry for optimal burning. Now, let's build the fire lay. First, select a safe, clear spot, at least 10 feet away from anything flammable. Begin by placing your tinder in a small, loose pile in the center. Then, arrange your kindling around the tinder in either a teepee or log cabin structure, allowing for good airflow. This structure helps the flames climb and ignite the larger pieces. As the fire establishes itself, you can slowly introduce your larger fuel wood. It's time to ignite your fire. Carefully apply your ignition source, whether it's a lighter, matches, or a ferro rod, directly to the base of your tinder pile. Once the tinder begins to smoke and glow, gently blow on it to provide oxygen, helping the flame to grow. Continue this until the kindling catches fire. Be patient. A steady, controlled ignition is key to a successful and lasting fire. To maintain your fire, add fuel wood gradually, ensuring good airflow to keep the flames strong. Always supervise your fire, never leave it unattended. For safety, keep a bucket of water or a shovel nearby. When you're ready to extinguish it, douse the embers thoroughly with water, stirring the ashes until they are cool to the touch. This ensures the fire is completely out and prevents accidental reignition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.